StepPay is here, giving you a new way to buy now, pay later, every day. Available to eligible CommBank customers, StepPay is quick and easy to activate. Simply apply through the CommBank app, and once approved, link your CommBank repayment account, set your PIN, add to your digital wallet, and you're ready to start spending. Whatever the purchase, in-store or online, you can use StepPay anywhere MasterCard is accepted, not just at participating retailers. A way to spend and split purchases into 4 equal fortnightly instalments. StepPay repayments will automatically come out of your linked CommBank repayment account. If you miss a repayment, a $10 late fee will apply, and your StepPay account will be paused to help you spend responsibly. But there are late fee caps in place. View your StepPay purchases, repayment schedules, and account balance in your CommBank app, alongside all your other banking, to keep your finances on track. Buy now, pay later with StepPay. Find out more at CommBank.pay.